Let me tell you something most people never hear until it's too late. Businesses don't die because the owner is lazy. They don't die because the idea is bad. They die because the owner doesn't understand money. And if you think business finance is complicated, boring, or only for accountants, this video might save you years of struggle. Because once you understand money, money stops controlling you. In this video, I'm going to break down business finance in the simplest way possible. No big grammar, no accounting jargon, just clear understanding for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll understand how money actually works in a business, why many businesses fail even when sales are high, how your mindset around money affects your success, and how to start controlling your numbers instead of fearing them if you're a business owner, freelancer, side hustler, or future entrepreneur. This is for you. What business finance really means. Business finance simply means how you manage money in your business. That's it. It's not about being good at math. It's about knowing where money comes from, where money goes, and how long your money can last. If you don't know these three things, you're running blind. Revenue is all the money coming into your business, while profit is what's left after paying all expenses. Here's the mistake beginners make. They see money entering their account and feel rich. But money coming in doesn't mean money is yours. If your business makes $50,000, but expenses are $45,000, your profit is only $5,000. High sales don't mean a healthy business. Profit does. There are 4 basic words in business finance every beginner must know. 1. Income, money coming in. 2. Expenses, money going out. 3. Assets, things your business owns, cash, tools, inventory. 4. Liabilities, money your business owes, loans, unpaid bills. Every financial statement, every report, every decision is built on these 4 words. Master these, and finance becomes easier. Now listen carefully why businesses really fail. A business can be profitable and still die. Why? Cash flow. Cash flow is real money moving in and out of your business. You might make sales today, but if customers pay late and bills are due now, you're stuck. That's why people say, cash flow is king. No cash equals no salaries, no cash equals no rent, no cash equals business shut down. Working capital, the business oxygen, is the money you use every day to run your business. It's what pays for inventory, transport, power, salaries. If working capital finishes, the business stops breathing. Sales alone won't save you. Capital is money used to start or grow a business. There are 2 main types. Debt, borrowed money you must repay with interest. Equity, money from investors who own part of your business. Debt gives pressure. Equity gives dilution. Both are tools, not enemies, if used wisely. Now let's talk about money mindset. Many people fear money. They avoid checking numbers. They don't track expenses because it feels stressful. But avoiding numbers doesn't remove problems, it hides them. Strong businesses are built by people who look at numbers honestly, make decisions based on facts, not emotions, separate ego from finance. Money is not good or bad. It's feedback. Your numbers are simply telling you a story. The golden rule of business, which is non-negotiable, is never mix personal money with business money. When you mix them, you don't know if the business is profitable, you overspend emotionally, you lose control. Open separate accounts. Pay yourself a salary. Respect the business like it's not you. You only need to understand 3 financial statement reports. 1. Profit and loss. Did you make or lose money? 2. Balance sheet. What you own versus what you owe. 3. Cash flow statement. Where real money moved. You don't need to prepare them yourself. You just need to understand them. A budget is simply a plan for your money. You list expected income, expected expenses. Expenses fall into 2 types. Fixed, rent, salaries, a variable, materials, fuel. Here's a powerful rule. If it doesn't make you money or save you money, question it. Cost control increases profit faster than sales. Before spending money, ask, will this bring more money back? When? How much? This is called ROI, return on investment. Also understand burn rate, how fast money is leaving runway. How long you can survive. Growth without financial control is dangerous. Use simple tools, accounting software, Excel, or Google Sheets. Check your numbers weekly, not once a year. Finance is not a yearly event. It's a daily habit. Here's the truth. Your business won't survive on motivation. It won't survive on ideas alone. It survives on financial discipline. You don't need a finance degree. You need awareness. You need consistency. You need courage to face the numbers. Once you understand business finance, money stops being scary. You stop guessing. You start building wealth intentionally. If this video helped you understand money better, like this video, it tells the algorithm to show it to more business owners. Subscribe to this channel if you want simple explanations about business, money, mindset, and growth. And comment below, what part of business finance confused you the most before this video? I read every comment. Until next time, keep your mindset strong, your numbers clear, and your business growing.